Global warming is the rise in Earth's temperature due to excessive carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases released predominantly by human activities. The Earth's average temperature rises as the gases trap the sun's energy within the atmosphere. Nature's greenhouse effect is important to keep Earth warm enough for life on Earth. The industrial revolutions that made life easier and comfortable seems to threaten the very existence of life on Earth. While nature's technologies of the four seasons have sustained life for billions of years, the industrial processes, agricultural practices, fossil fuel combustion, air conditioning, and deforestation have thrown a hammer into Earth's machinery, which, in a very short time, has resulted in causing heat waves, extreme cold in otherwise normal locations, intense hurricanes, tornadoes, sudden downpours and drought, and melting of the polar ice caps. Disasters such as tsunamis and earthquakes, and even wars act only for a short time although intensely, while global warming is a silent killer wave, lurking and affecting every aspect of nature's function, gradually strangling life on Earth. Many agree that it is perhaps the greatest threat facing planet Earth today. The United Nations has pressed the panic button, act now, or be gone. Thousands of scientists and policymakers as well as world organizations believe we are fast approaching a point of irreversibility, where subsequent damage to the environment may not be reversible through controlled emissions or afforestation programs. While building habitats or designing automobiles, we need to pay attention to their effect on the environment, or later spend hundreds of times more on rehabilitation, risking life in the process. City horizons lined with glass buildings with reckless air conditioning reek of irreverence to nature and threaten rapid extinction of the human race. Ultimately, it is the coming generation that is going to take the brunt of our assault, assuming that we are lucky enough to escape the impending disaster. Does the answer lie in adapting energy-saving techniques? No one knows. However, we need to be more aware of our activities if we want to prevent this turbulence from becoming a world disaster. Any individual can contribute in an effort to stem this tide. But for anyone to contribute, personality is very important. And for anyone to have a personality, she or he has to be physically, psychologically, and socially sound. Even at this crisis hour, most people are talking of global warming for Nobel Prize and for personal gain. Global warming is a global problem. Unless the individual feels that I need to control my movement by either planning where to go or what to do, or use other facilities such as public transports or even working or bicycling, reduction in global warming may not be possible. Planting trees and developing technology that remove carbon dioxide and other greenhouse gases can be effective only if the primary source of the problem, human thinking and activity, are controlled. Each individual's contribution to global warming can be calculated using carbon footprint tools available online. If every individual understands that their use of electricity, water, air conditioning, gasoline, and unwanted products is leading to global warming and acts to limit them, then and then only can global warming be controlled.